Okay guys, just a little farm equipment update video, and as you can see I'm using my HD camera. Finally got my old computer to where it'll upload YouTube videos again. Anyway, as you can see I'm working on 277. I've got the frame here unbolted to where I can reach the top of the fuel tank down here. No, you can't see it, but what I'm doing is I'm going to clean it out and replace the fuel line, because I have a feeling that's why it ain't running right, because I've cleaned the carburetor 3 times and every time it's got a bunch of dirt in it, so I figured that's where it's most likely that's where it's coming from. I've already replaced the fuel pump and filter back when I was working on it before, and it didn't seem to help much, so figured I'd change the fuel line and clean out the tank, because it's coming up to the fall and I'm going to need lawnmower the bagger unit running. And haven't had much chance to work on Cubby recently. Main thing I need to do right now is bore out the cylinder walls, but I haven't had a chance to do that lately. I've been so busy with everything going on. Finally got around to working on this, and hopefully I'll have it running by sometime this week, and when I do I'll make another update video, which will hopefully be sometime later this week. Evidently there's a cricket in here. Also, if you remember in some of my older videos, there's a big pile of lumber between the shop and my boat. I ended up moving all that lumber over to my house behind the shed to use for duck blinds. So it's a lot more open back there. I would show you all, but it's dark, so maybe in the next update video. And anyway, I figured while I was here, and now I got my old computer to where to upload YouTube videos, figured I'd make an update video. And like I said, hopefully more videos to come later this week. Anyway, these two are still running alright, knock on wood. But anyway, well, like I said, hopefully more videos to come later this week, and hopefully 277 will be running. But until then, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.